The iPhone SE 4 is one of the most anticipated devices in the smartphone market, with its release likely to happen around March 2025. As we approach the launch timeline, rumors and expectations about this device continue to grow. Apple is famous for controlling as many aspects of its products as possible, often highlighting that this approach enables them to achieve things its competitors can't. It appears this strategy will become even more focused in 2025. A recent report suggests that future Apple devices will include more components that are exclusively designed and produced by the company itself. By 2025, Apple is expected to equip its iPhones with an in-house 5G modem, and the iPhone SE 4 could be the first model to feature it. The fourth-generation iPhone SE is also expected to act as a testing ground for Apple's in-house 5G modem chips, allowing the company to gather valuable feedback from a large user base before implementing the technology in its flagship lineup. This device might launch in the first half of 2025, with the iPhone 17 series set to adopt the same technology in the latter half of the year. Projections indicate that shipments of these Apple-designed 5G chips will exceed 100 million units by 2026. Do you think the Apple 5G modem will be better than Snapdragon modem chips? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Furthermore, Apple is also planning to introduce its own Wi-Fi chips, possibly around the same time in 2025. Although the exact products and launch details are not fully confirmed, these chips are expected to be first used in devices like the iPhone SE 4 and the iPad mini. This approach makes sense for Apple, as the relatively low cost of 5G modems and the smaller production scale of the iPhone SE make it an ideal testing ground for their new technology. The iPhone SE 4 is rumored to have impressive features, positioning it as a strong contender in the budget smartphone category. Based on the leaks, it may come with an OLED display, offering a quality usually reserved for higher-end models. The A18 chipset, the same high-performing processor found in the iPhone 16, promises fast and efficient performance. USB Type-C charging port that provides a modern and convenient charging experience. Additionally, there's speculation that Apple might introduce advanced AI features in the iPhone SE 4, similar to what's available in the iPhone 16 series, potentially enhancing the overall user experience and boosting camera functionality. Reports about the iPhone SE 4's camera setup are varied. Some leaks indicate it will have a single camera lens, while others suggest a vertical camera module similar to the iPhone 16. Despite these uncertainties, Apple is expected to deliver a high-quality camera experience, even in this more affordable model. In terms of pricing, the iPhone SE 4 is anticipated to start at under $500 for the base model, while the higher-end versions with increased RAM and storage could go above $600. For those looking to own an iPhone without spending a fortune, the iPhone SE 4 is shaping up to be a more cost-effective alternative compared to the iPhone 16 series, offering a great balance between price and features. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming iPhone SE 4? Are you excited about the launch? Have you used the iPhone SE series before? How was the experience? Share your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.